Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can create a QR code for Google Sites. So without further ado, let's begin. First, go to sites.google.com and from here, log in to your Google account. Once logged in, you should see the screen right here on your main dashboard. Then, click on blank site or an existing site that you already have. Now, in the next window, the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that your site is published. To do so, give it a title, and then hover here and click on this button right here. Make sure that your published site is set on public. And then, click on Publish. Now, Google Sites will ask you to enter a web address that you are going to use for this site. And once you see this check button right here, click on Publish. Now, to check, click here first, and once you review that it's already good, go back. The next step would be to create a QR code. To do that, click here on this icon right here, and copy link. On another tab, go to chrome.webstore.google.com and then click on Extensions. And then, on the search bar, search for QR code generator. Then, from here, click on Add to Chrome and Add Extension. Once you see this notification right here, click here on this puzzle piece on your top bar and then pin this QR code generator. And then, click on this icon right here. And then, delete this and paste the link that you copied earlier. After pasting, simply click on Download. And here is your new site that you just published earlier. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!